So we have found Winter Garden. We decided to come here today, as we thought, why not? We've got time, as we're here for quite a while now. So we've always wanted to come to Winter Garden, because there was a YouTuber that we used to watch who doesn't do YouTube anymore actually, and he used to live here. Well, I don't know if he still does, but yeah, we thought we might come and have a look, and it looks really nice. Let's have a look. So yeah, this place is called Winter Garden. I think it's got quite a lot of history. It's like an idyllic town. Late at night, all this middle bit's lit up, as you can see, with the trees, the little fairy lights and stuff. It's like a real classic American town. Oh, there is a hotel. So you could stay in a hotel. Oh, a barber shop. Oh, it's closed. I need a haircut. Can you stop here, Charlie? So it's got loads of unique individual shops, like that one over there, like the deli downtown.
Whoa,
looks pretty cool, doesn't it?
that wheel, Dad. That's the biggest bike wheel you've ever
That's called a
seen.
penny-farthing.
Penny-farthing?
Yeah, because it's a penny and a farthing. So you sit up there on the big bit. I'm not sure which is which, but it's a penny-farthing.
Oh, look at that one.
Yeah, that's an e-bike.
E-bike.
An e-bike.
E-bike? And what's that? Is it golden one?
I'm not sure.
So, have you ever seen a normal bike?
What?
Has anyone ever seen a normal bike?
Don't know.
Remember, if it's
Oh, lots of shops and stuff. Yeah, because it is Sunday. We perhaps
If they are open,
If
it
any
says
of
on there from 12 o'clock.
any of you
so
see
perhaps
a
picked
normal bike,
a dodgy day to come. But what a lovely little town.
It's like all jams and stuff in there, oils, jams.
Yeah. So I like this because there's no chain shops, are there? It's all individual shops. It looks really good. But yeah,
Boys.
we'll take you along and show you other bits and pieces as we go.
You want one? Yeah, please.
this is a pretty good shop, isn't it, Dad?
So we did actually get some cakes. So we got one of these like it's like a cherry cake, is it, Soph?
Cherry Danish.
Cherry Danish, really nice. We got a lemon meringue one, which is really nice, and
And
then
this is a Nutella Danish.
Nutella Danish.
And Noah's really enjoying it.
His little chocolatey face, look.
But the others are
Stay.
being all fussy, aren't they?
Yeah.
Not liking anything.
Old Corvette going past. Really interesting place. Lovely views, sort of down this boulevard. It's a really nice place, isn't it? So
Yeah, it's really nice. Charlie keeps sticking his finger.
Jack's being a miserable sod.
Noah's got
Oh.
a Nutella Danish. Is it nice, Noah?
So for you, those of you that are interested, this is called Le French Café, and this is in downtown Winter Garden. Really nice. Recommend having a little go at this place. There's loads of these little streets and little cafes in this place. It's just such a lovely little town. Definitely recommend coming here. And apparently at night it's all lit up. The trees are all lit up in this middle lane. I can't remember the historical significance. I think it's like some sort of trail or something. It used to be like a trading trail. This middle part here, from the original part of the USA or something. But yeah, I can't remember at the minute. So it was just Halloween a few days ago, so there's still some bits and pieces left over from Halloween. And I guess now they'll be switching it all over to Christmas. Really nice. Really like typical American town, I guess. Got a spider on me. Right, I got rid of the spider. Oh, hot dogs. Oh, do you want a hot dog, Jack? What do you think?
Got that little hot dog there.
Yeah. You want a hot dog?
No.
Hot diggity dog. That's our car that we've got at the moment. We'll change that a couple of days. See if we can get something different. Bookshop. A bar. I bet it's completely different at night. We'll have to come back at night and see what it's like. See what bits and pieces are here. Also, what I've seen is loads of people going around on golf carts. It's the same celebration. Maybe that's like a small town America thing where people tend to go around in golf carts rather than their car. But it's a pretty cool idea. I mean, look at this one. It looks pretty good. Right, got custom wheels and stuff. Raised it up a bit on suspension. Looks really cool. So, I don't know what it is, but it's definitely something cool. So what we did after we went to Winter Gardens, we decided to come to a park right on Lake Apopka. So behind me just there you can see all the kids playing on the playground. So the boys and Sophie are in there, they're really enjoying it. It's a really nice park actually. And now I'm just trying to look for a bathroom, which there is, so that's good. So I can take the boys to that. Because we're here and we're drinking, it's hot. It's about 30 degrees, so not overly hot, but not cold either. So definitely need a haircut. But as you can see just over there, maybe you can see, yeah, just there, that's Lake Apopka. I think it's one of the biggest lakes in Florida, if not the biggest, I'm not sure. But let's see if we can zoom in. It looks really good. I think I'm going to go down on the dock in a minute. But yeah. It's absolutely massive. But yeah, we'll go down on that dock and we'll let you have a look at that. And obviously we can take a look as well. We're doing it together. We're doing it together. Right. This is where we parked over here. Really nice place. All looks clean, all looks fresh. So it's good. Right, so now we're going to go down to this dock. Just over there and see what we can see. I think some people are having like a little birthday party in there by the looks of it. There's like, I think there's grills and stuff just there. Well, I can see a grill. So I guess it's like a public space.
Oh, they're having a birthday there.
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
He will. Oh, and I'm hoping so. I'm hoping we'll see some alligators, eh, Jack?
Yeah.
Down here.
Dad, I'm itchy.
Okay, darling. It's because you're hot, darling, that's why.
Well, I don't want to be hot. I want to be cold.
I want you to come here. No. I want you to hold my hand, Charlie. Not let me go.
Mummy.
He's just hot, I think. It's like a proper swamp now. So yeah, this is the lake. It looks like a sea almost. It's so big. Look at that.
Yeah, no, you're not going that way.
Please don't tell me it's honey.
No, it's beautiful.
Look, here it's honey.
Can you see any turtles? Look at that turtle down there. Look at all the little fishes, look. You see them? I'm lying, there's no turtle. There is, however, this. I wonder if this will work. Kind of. Kind of. Hey Jack, there's some binoculars over here that you can use. Oh, there's a big fish here, Jack. Look, Charlie. See this big fish?
Where a big fish?
Just there.
I want to see it.
Big gammy fish.
I would call that a dead fish.
It's not dead. It's just a bit gammy looking.
Oh, I can see my eyes on it.
It's a lovely looking lake. It's very, very big.
Wait, there's two more fish. I see another fish over there.
So that's Lake Apopka. I think actually it's something. I heard that it's a lot of it's man-made. Well, it was a lot smaller, and then they made it a lot bigger. If that makes sense, like they flooded the area. But yeah, that's Lake Apopka. So we just had lunch at Cracker Barrel / dinner. I'm feeling really American at the moment, rather, you know. So's Charlie, as you can see, he's enjoying himself there on that rocking chair. You having a good time, Charlie? Yeah? Yeah, lots of snakes in there. He didn't see any, they're like wooden ones in there. I don't know if you've ever been in a Cracker Barrel, but there's like a big shop in there and all these different things. It's good. It's good for quick eats. It's Cracker Barrel. If you've never been there before,